Waking up and looking at yourself in the mirror with dry, frizzy, and heavy curly hair trying to have its own life can be very overwhelming. Today's video will help you take better care of your crown and glory curly edition. Here are some home remedies for healthier and more gorgeous curls. Hot oil massage. Who would say no to a hot oil massage? Back then, women mostly visited the salon for a hot oil treatment before Brazilian blowouts even became a thing. A hot oil massage can make your hair soft and moisturized. This can help the curly girls out there since curly hair is more prone to breakage and dryness. Your best bet will be coconut oil, almond oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, and argan oil. These oils are filled with nutrients and antioxidants for strong and healthy hair. The oil will seep into your scalp through massaging, nourishing your hair follicle and conditioning your scalp. You can include this in your hair care routine once a week. Eggs. Fluffy eggs are perfect for breakfast and boiled eggs for diet. Your daily egg addiction does not end with consuming eggs daily. Eggs are perfect for your hair care routine too. They're rich in protein, an ideal nutrient that can transform your brittle and dry hair into a strong and healthy hair. Biotin, on the other hand, in eggs helps with hair loss. Eggs also contain lutein, which naturally promotes hair luster, a natural curl-forming ingredient that can enhance your curly hair's texture and work deep into your scalp's pores, relieving that dry and itchy feeling. You can do this egg hair mask once a week. Drop an egg emoji if you're still watching the video and will be giving your curly hair some love today. Aloe Vera. Due to its moisturizing properties, it is considered to be best for curly-haired girls out there. It helps with dealing with frizz, rehydrating your scalp, and making your hair smooth and shiny. Curly hair is prone to breakage, but the use of aloe vera's rejuvenating components can make your hair stronger and obtain more elasticity. You can incorporate this aloe vera hair mask into your weekly routine 1 to 2 times. Coconut oil. Mother Nature provides us with another beautiful solution for your naturally curly hair. Coconut oil can moisturize your hair strands, strengthen your hair roots, and keep your hair healthy. It keeps your hair from tangling and makes detangling easier and less painful. Coconut oil moisturizes your coarse, curly hair thanks to its saturated and unsaturated fat. At the same time, it adds shine, definition, and life to your crown and glory. It provides deep conditioning, reduces hair fall due to breakage, and minimizes future damage to your curls. You can use it as a traditional hair mask, an overnight treatment, a spray to give your hair a healthy shine and enhance curls, a detangling spray, and an added boost to your conditioner. You could not go wrong with the oil of coconut. Mayonnaise. You may love it as an addition to your favorite sandwich, but surprisingly, it also acts as a superfood for your curls. The oils that mayonnaise contain are said to transform your curls into a softer and silkier version, saying no to your old, dry, and lifeless curls and yes to a softer, shinier, and smoother feeling curl. Mayonnaise has healthy ingredients for the hair such as egg yolks, lemon juice, vinegar, and soybean oil with fatty acids and vitamins that increase shine and seal in moisture. For best results, use the mayonnaise hair mask once a week. Now you know why mayonnaise is a lady's choice. Avocado. Avocado is an overall fruit. I can go on and on about its uses and have a never-ending list. From being a delicious addition to your breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner, or even a drink, to being a beauty elixir and a hair treatment that is good even for curly hair. Vitamin E in avocado aids in maintaining the integrity of the cell membranes of the hair follicles, resulting in stronger hair. Avocado oil is highly humectant and emollient, meaning it draws moisture. It is a property that is really good for your hair as a hot oil treatment or a deep conditioner. Its flesh can also be used and made into a conditioning, moisturizing, and softening weekly hair mask. Avocado can also be used as a hair mask on its own or paired with coconut oil, olive oil, yogurt, aloe vera, and mayonnaise, and it can be used 1 or 2 times a week. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a kind of vinegar that is derived from fermented apple juice. It is a quick and light solution that can revamp your dull, curly strands into bouncy ones. But does it really help your curly hair? It's said to be one of the lists of natural products curly-haired girls use as their alternative to shampoo. It lowers the pH of your hair and scalp, boosts shine, flattens hair cuticles, and even controls dandruff. Apple cider vinegar also helps prevent bacterial and fungal growth and contains vitamin B, vitamin C, and potassium, which are beneficial to your hair. It does not weigh down your curls unlike silicone-based conditioners, but volumizes and defines them. A practical alternative and is not filled with any preservatives. This home remedy can be used only once or twice a month. Hibiscus. In the Indian traditional system of medicine, hibiscus, especially the white and red ones, are considered to have medicinal properties. Aside from its beautiful shape and appearance and the intensity of the color of its petals, this flower has tons of benefits for your curly hair too. It is also referred to as the flower for hair care. Hibiscus increases hair growth, prevents loss of hair and premature graying, reduces frizz, gives your hair its shine and bounce, balances the pH of your scalp, and reduces its redness and itching. It also works as an astringent that minimizes the oiliness of your hair. You can use this once or twice a week. Naturally, curly hair can be a little bit frustrating sometimes. Unlike other hair types, it's not easy to maintain and is a lot more prone to dryness and damage. But with trial and error for a proper hair care routine and all the readily available home remedies, you can turn your frizzy locks into healthy and good-looking curls. Do you have your own natural home remedies to pamper your curly hair? Share it in the comment section below and let's have a discussion. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share this video with your curly-haired family and friends. Thank you so much for watching.